Hey YouTube, what's happening? Falling behind a little bit. That's alright. Make sure you guys go and check out the channels I follow. There are some people there I want you guys to see. Matchbox Fire EMS, Race Grooves, Matchbox Collector 22, and other people. I picked up two of these guys here. They're at Walmart for 80 something cents. When I saw these, I picked them up thinking, hey, I already have one in my collection, but I can add these to a station that I just recently opened up and then get them replaced by new units, or I'm going to keep them in the reserve status. Well, here's one. Here's the other one. It says on here, Fire Department, number 1. Trying to get the camera. There we go. It has a very short light bar up here. I don't like those two little things. It would have been nice if they had like a full light bar up there. Something in the back, I wish it was a bit more detailed. The side's alright. Here's the top. You have some compartments here. Tools look like gardening shovels. You have here a shovel, a pickaxe, I don't know why, hose, and 2 axes. Here's the other side. At least it differs a little bit. Nope, never mind, I was wrong. But the compartments, the panels are different, I mean. What else is different? You have some sort of thing right there, I don't know what that is. On the other side, you have just the gray box. Now, as you know, Maisto, the company that makes these, as you see Maisto right down there, they have some vehicles, and because of what's happening in 2012 with Matchbox, which I'll explain in another video, you will see that I think Maisto is going to see an increase in sales. So will Johnny Lightning, and I'm not too sure about Hot Wheels, how they're going to end up in 2012. But Maisto and Johnny Lightning are probably going to see an increase in sales. Here's the other guy. And there you have it, guys. I'm going to see you some other time. Bye-bye, guys.